Awesome's family, and I'm a soaper in the Awesome Soap Company, and today I'll be showing you how I bevel my soaps. Guys, today I'm going to be using the Lilu Soap Tools Beveler and Planer. I'm going to be beveling a soap that I've made a few weeks ago, and they're going to be ready to buy in 2 weeks. They're called Chocolate Delight. It's scented with chocolate-covered strawberries fragrance oil. Let's get started. So I'm just putting them in here when I'm finished, so I can put them back on the rack with all of our other soaps. I'm just gonna continue. I just put my 2 other ones that I finished in there. I did a little bit before I started the video, just so the video wouldn't take very long. So I just finished this one. We are not going to be planing these soaps because we like the way it looks. The fireflies that we've molded into here, that we've the dragonflies that we've stamped in here are a little bit wonky. So we've stamped in a firefly, and we're not going to be planing them because we're nervous that it will destroy the firefly. It'll plane out the firefly, and it will not look as good as it is right now. So let's just keep going. So these are a different kind. These are ones with no hearts. I decided to put no hearts and put some seeds on top, just so it looks nice, and some hearts on the other batch. I'm gonna clean the planer now because it's getting really messy and I don't want these beads here to stick into my soaps. I'm cleaning it with rubbing alcohol because it helps a lot. So if you have a really big mess on your planer or any other tools, I suggest to use this. I'm gonna bring this over to the shelf because I ran out of room, and don't think that. Okay, never mind. The recipe is going to be in the description once this video goes out, so okay. So you can go look in there, and we're also going to put how to buy the soaps in the description, but they're only ready in 2 weeks, so they're not available right now. I only made them a few weeks ago, and there are lots of oils, so it takes a little bit longer. It has to harden, and if it doesn't, it'll be really squishy, and it won't lather as well. I just like seeing the results at the end, and it's really calming. So I'll get back to you when I'm finished. So I finished putting them all away. I have these 4 here for decoration. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. For the awesome soap company. Bye!